Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope your weekend was good. Let's do a small narrative building like we do how on every weekend. So I've taken this swing point high as our upper range and this swing point low as our lower range. So anything which happens between this range is going to be our primary focus. And what we see immediately from a weekly charts perspective is market has turned bearish and is continuously coming down. And we see there is a small gap here. This gap is yet to be filled. Okay, so moving on to daily chart. So daily chart also, if you see very clearly, there are three gaps which is there on the downward direction and three gaps which is there in the upward direction. So what we can expect from the market is if market opens flat, okay, and if market continues to come down like this on Monday, then the moment we see something like this is easily possible on the upward direction. I mean, like from a demand, it should give a positive reaction. This can happen either from here or from here or from here. Generally, how it will happen is market will tend to hunt the extreme demand or the extreme supplies, meaning there is a high probability for the market to go down all the way till here. This is easily possible from the market given the momentum of the candles that is being printed and also the global news which is there, which is pertaining to the news related to war and all is happening. This movement is easily possible for the upcoming week, meaning 22,275 ish range can be easily met by the market. Why have I marked this candle is you see there is a tiny bit of imbalance here. The low and this high does not meet. So there is a tiny bit of imbalance here. This imbalance will obviously be filled by the market if market tends to come down, and the market can give a positive reaction from this place itself, or if market wants to go up, it can go up and give a negative reaction either from this particular supply, or it can happen from either of these supplies also. So there are chances for market to go up precisely, meaning decisively it can go up all the way here, or there are chances for market to come down all the way predominantly over here. I've taken a different color so that you will understand that possibilities for both call and put are equally available, and this is going to be a little bit tough day on Monday. I'm going to be very honest with you because market has lot of supports on the downward direction, meaning a lot of demands on the downward direction and a lot of gaps which are left open by the market on the upward direction. If slightest of the slightest positive news happens to the market, then the moment it gives a positive reaction like this itself, we can see a very big pull up all the way here. Okay, so for Monday, meaning for tomorrow, the trade plan, we just need to wait till 10:30. Okay, if market breaks the low, it is going to be very obvious trade that market can go down all the way till 22,800 very easily. So this is going to be our primary focus. If market breaks 23,120 and sustains below 2300 for 15 minutes or 30 minutes or whatever the time frame may be, and in 5 minutes time frame, if we see the market is continuously going to form lower lows and keep following lower lows, then I'm interested to take the market at least till 22,950 being the first target. If there is no positive reaction obtained from this particular demand, I'm more interested to take the market at least till 22,820 or even till 22,700. This is what I am planning to trade for Monday. Okay, this is for downward direction. If market breaks this high swing point, meaning this particular, we need to give time for the market, because for call it is going to be very tough, because there can be multiple places where market can take a reversal like this. and continue to go down. So it is tricky to go on the upward direction, but still, if you wanted to trade on the upward direction, wait for the market till 10:30. Okay, if market continues to go up like this and it sustains above 23,400 and stays above that, then we can see a easiest target till 23,570. These are the two trades which can be easily captured for tomorrow. If one of them happens, well and good. If none of them happens, and if the market is going to be continuously in a range bound like this way, it goes like this, it comes like this, and it stays like this way, then it is better to avoid trading for tomorrow. Okay, because market can do like this also, and because we have a lot of indecisions whether to market to go up or whether the market should come down. So when there is an indecision happening in the market like this, there are high chances that the market can be range bound and does not give one sided momentum. So don't get trapped in such kind of a range bound market. Wait till 10:30 and mark these two ranges for now, for tomorrow, meaning 23,400 to be very precise on the upward direction, and 23,000 to be very safe on the 23,100 to be very safe on the downward direction. Anything which happens between these two ranges, try to avoid trading. And if it breaks above this, then 150 points can be captured above this. And if it breaks below this, then easily 150 to 200 points can be captured below this. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next education video.